Okay, here we are on the Professional Real Estate Property Styling Studio site. And what you've got a choice of to start with is to choose your design and style to get started. So you can go to the beaches coastal, which will give you a different theme for the staging of the photo, whether that's a empty room or it does it over the top of a furnished photo. Then you've got retro, the revival, which is an exciting styling format. You've got the classic urban chic, which is nice and classy, and then your classic country. So it gives you a different variety of photos that you can use to stage for marketing and other purposes. What you find as we move forward is that once we've done it, so let's just start off. We'll go for the retro revival. So we're first going to pick a photo that we're going to work with, and we'll go to one I've used before. Give me a moment here. Real estate, social. This one's furnished, but it'll go over the top. So here's the photo we're starting with. And this will take a bit of a process as it works through it, but we'll just wander off onto another page for the moment. Now, what you can see here is another shot of a different photo, and it's starting to work through the different contemporary photos that it's taken. So you can download all of these photos. Now, if you come to here, there's a whole package that you can download, but what you're going to find is it goes into a number of things. It first talks about the target buyers and the style of person who could be interested in this property. So these are all great points for putting together your marketing. Then it talks about the room features and materials and the floor and cabinetry and the textiles and the hardware. And then we get down to a property advertisement. So this can help with the marketing of the photos and the property that you're looking to lease or sell. And why would a buyer love this property? So it's sort of teaching you how to upsell it to the buyers when they come through. And we've got the buyer persona, the style of person you can expect to be interested in this property based on the way it's been marketed. And why is this property a sensational buy? It can be a closing moment for you. And then we'll go into about the photography. So it's pretty much an overall app AI agent that can assist with marketing of other properties. Hope you find it useful. I certainly am, and I'm very excited to put this forward. Okay. So here's the finished product now. It's turned it into sort of a retro style. We'll come back to the original photo in a moment, which you'll see the transition. So here's the original photo that it started with, and then it's turned it into these retro shots. So it gives it a real interesting feel and concept what you can do with one photo that you can change and use it in the market. And if it was a vacant room, even better. Then it's going to furnish the room for you when you've got a staged product to work through. And again, the scripts change to suit the photos. So you can't do much better than that for a couple of dollars for 4 marketing photos plus the ads. I hope everyone finds it effective and affordable. Okay, bye for now.